welcome to another Hits Family Adventure. We're back out at Six Flags over Texas, and we're gonna do a little more in-depth look at Tormenta. We came out for the opening day for Tormenta, and my video didn't go as planned as I wanted to because we got here and they had already opened the ride, so I didn't get to do what I wanted, so we just enjoyed it. But today we're going to come and take a look at Tormenta, get some good shots of it, look at the park, and we're gonna go from there. Let's go. So I didn't realize that they have moved the rope drop all the way over here. Oh no, is Tormenta already open? They opened this up early? Oh wow, let's go. Let's go get a ride. So it looks like it's 10:38. The park just opened and Tormenta's queue is already open. Let's go get it. For the day, finally got the ride up front and in the middle, and it is a hell of a lot smoother there than on the outside. That was a great ride, baby. And look at the sign coming in, Tormenta Rampaging Ride. I want to see it at night for myself. I've seen it in pictures. And then they got your test seat here, and the ones with the red straps on it are made for your bigger people. And I think there's like 5 seats on there. I know there's one up front and then a couple in each rows, but then they have your fast lane and your wait times for all the rides right here. So I think it's pretty cool that the park's not even open yet and they've already opened Tormenta up. I waited about 5 minutes to get on. Well, you know that'll change in a little bit, but they already have. Look, the teacups are running, and they got El Sombrero running, which that's pretty cool. Good job, Six Flags. So I might have to say they did an amazing job with the Spain section. I think this is one of the most beautiful spots in a Six Flags park that I've been to. You know, then it's awesome that they are keeping the fountains from the Conquistador. I mean, it's just amazing. So this is on the left side of the Spain section. I know they have some kind of show here, but I don't know what it is. But look at this. Look at this. Did you ever think that this would be at Six Flags over Texas? Never. In my 40 years of coming here, did I think that we would ever have anything like this? Man, it just just gives me chills and just Makes me feel all good inside. So it's just now 11 o'clock and they have dropped the ropes for the rest of the park. All right, let's go see if we can't get a ride on the Texas Giant before it gets over a 2-hour wait. All right, next up, Texas Giant. Hopefully it's a walk-on right now. Let's go, baby. All right, just got off the Giant front row and it was running really slow. I've had better rides on it. But I did find out some tidbit of information. Don't know how true it is, but they're saying that the Giant is going to be running on one train until Fright Fest. They're supposed to be bringing back the red train during Fright Fest. Something's wrong with it. So that's the reason why they've been only running on one train right now. So hopefully, fingers crossed, they do bring it back. And then they don't know what's happened with the blue train. Maybe it's getting refurbished or something, but we'll see. On to the next one. So we have the all-season drink plan. But tell me down in the comments, do you like the paper cup plan, or do you like the souvenir cup plan? We don't like the souvenir cups because we hate having to drag it around with us. But leave me a comment, let me know. All right, now it's time to go ride the El Aserradero. I don't know. I don't think I could ever just call it that. It's always going to be the long ride for me. You know, growing up in the 80s, that's what it's always been. It's always been the long ride. But I heard you couldn't ride this as a single rider, but I just saw somebody on it, so I'm going to go give it a try. Man, the long ride's always a good ride. Got the nice amount of width. Feels good. All right, now I think we're gonna go ride the Titan. But yeah, like I had heard that they weren't allowed single riders, so every time I come, I hadn't tried. And then I saw this guy on there all by himself, so I went and I got on. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Now we're gonna go get on the Titan. All right, so I got the barbacoa, street tacos, cilantro, onions, and lime, and then you get to choose from either beans or rice. And I chose the rice. All right, put some of this lime on here. Let's try it. That's actually not too bad. Is it the best? No. But it's okay. It's edible. It's better than the ones we had last time. Alright. Try some of this rice. Tastes like white rice. It really doesn't have a lot of flavor. But tacos are pretty good though. I have to tell you, on these hot days outside, this is the place to come because that air conditioner right there slaps. Slaps really hard. Slaps your mama so good. I just got through eating the tacos, and before I went in there, I got to meet another YouTuber, Dizzy Coasters. So I've been watching his stuff for a little while. Well, those tacos were pretty good. A whole lot better than what they were, but would I get them again? Maybe, but not a lot. And I love tacos. All right, now we're gonna go see if we can get on time. Man, you're coming over here to ride the Titan, but they stuck up there. They stuck on the lift hill. Yeah, I guess I won't be riding that. Wearing my new hat, Tormenta Rampage and Run. Just got off of Aquaman's at the second seat. Got the perfect amount of wet. For this Texas heat, this is gonna be full cool for the rest of the day. But now let's just look around the park and see how crowded it is. Because today is Tuesday, July 14th. So a while ago, Tormenta had a 45-minute wait. I waited probably about 10 minutes for Aquaman. Let's go over here and see the wait times, see what they are. All right, so it's 1 o'clock. Runaway Mountain 10 Titan, New Texas Giant, Mr. Freeze, all closed. Riddler 5, Justice League no wait. 10, 10, 10, 5. Roaring Rapids no wait. Man, you figure that would be busy. That's not bad at all. I see Tormenta, but Tormenta had like a 45-minute wait. Look at that, Roaring Rapids is a walk-on. I don't think I've ever seen that before. A while ago when I was over there by Tormenta, saw some dude standing by the trash can, just smoking a cigar right out in front of everybody. I don't know if anybody said anything, but people don't do that crap, man, come on. How hard is it to follow the rules? Man, poor Shockwave. I really hope the rumors aren't true that they're going to end up getting rid of it. Just hopefully it's just a part they're waiting on. But I'll tell you this, if it is true and they get rid of it, they need a family thrill coaster, something like Big Bear Mountain and Werewolf Gorge. That would fit perfect right there. So 15 visits since last October, 15 times I haven't got to go up it. So I just got off my second ride of Tormenta. I've ridden in the back, I've ridden in the middle, and I've ridden up front. The front middle is the way to go. Gonna do it for my time here at Six Flags. I was only here for about 3 hours, And Tormenta, my last ride, said it had a 60-minute wait, but it's only about 15 minutes wait. But I got about 5 rides on Tormenta. Rode Aquaman, rode the Giant. I was gonna go ride the Titan, but it got stuck. But here in a few weeks, we're gonna be going to San Antonio, and we're gonna go to Fiesta. This will be our 3rd trip to Fiesta, and then we are gonna go to SeaWorld. This will be our first trip to SeaWorld. So right now I'm sitting at 68 credits. Hopefully everything is open at SeaWorld, so I think they got about 4 or 5 rides, 5 or 6 coasters. But anyways, I just want to thank you for joining in along with me, and appreciate everybody that watches. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of our next adventure. Until next time.